Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Dotbit. So there are some amazing things that make unique this project from all other projects. So now today we discuss it, and we also discuss it how we can join their pre-sale, because they are going to kill 1-0 during the pre-sale, and when you buy it now, then you will be able to generate a 20 times of profit in after their pre-sale, when they are going to list it on 25 best exchanges after their pre-sale in December. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen, and please see it this complete without skipping, because this video will be very amazing for you and you, because this project is already audited. We also discuss it, and this is going to kill 1-0 in a very few days, and when it kill 1-0, then you can't imagine how much profit you will be earned. And if you hold it till 20 to 24th December, then you will be able to maximize your profit, maximize the price of their tokens uh, 20 times from now. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about the project. So if you want to get little introduction about the project, so before their introduction, here you can see that their price is this 0.0001 now, and they are 30% for bonus token. Now if you join their pre-sale, then you get 30% as a bonus. So this is the time of the ending their pre-sale. You can see it, and their soft cap is 1500 BNB and their hard cap is 2500 BNB. And here you can also see that they are going to list it on the 25 best exchanges in 20 to 24 December, and when they will list, then their price will be 0.0020. So here you can see that now their price is 0001, and their after their listing, their price will be 20 price will increase 20 times from now. So you need to click on the about, then you will find out the information regarding the project. So I read it. Dotbit is a decentralized differential token created on the Binance Smart Chain. The Dotbit is a meme crypto with the highest benefits for their holders. Their aim is to list Dotbit over 100 plus exchanges within 12 months. So it's very amazing that they are going to list it on 100 plus exchanges, and you can't imagine when they will list it on these 100 plus exchanges, then how much their price will be increased. So guys, this project is going to blast in few months. So Dotbit is going to create a history by listing 25 exchanges at a time together, which is list on the from 20 to 24th of December 2021. So you can also check it that it is verified from the BSC scan. So this is the page. Here you will find out their contract address and other things like decimal, their addresses, their total supply, and other things which are necessary to verified from the BSC scan. And if you want to add their tokens, you just need to copy it and go to your Trust Wallet or MetaMask to import their token by pasting their address. One thing is very necessary, that your main network should be Binance Smart Chain, because this project is based on Binance Smart Chain. So after discussing their introduction, we discuss about their tokenomics. So this is their tokenomics. Here you can see that their total supply is mentioned here. Their total supply is also mentioned. They are going to burn 80% in the 10 steps, 2.5% for the team, 2.5% for marketing, 8% for pre-sale, 10% fee for transaction, 2% goes to the fundraising wallet, 2% for redistributed to holders, and 2% for the goes to LP, and 2% goes to the charity, and 2% for the automatic burn. So after this, their tokenomics, we discuss about the roadmap. Basically, roadmaps are the different plans that they set according to different time pay period, and they make a set in different phases that they complete step by step. So they have a plan for phase 1, which is already completed, that the token creation, website launch, white paper launch, pre-sale launch pad, and the other one is phase 2. So they have a plan to launch the airdrop, tech rate audit, YouTube marketing, social media promotion, 5,000 holder, 3,000 Twitter followers, and 20,000 Telegram members. So in phase 3, they have a plan of the Certic audit, community awareness program, Bounty campaign, 10,000 holders, 5,000 Twitter followers, 50,000 Telegram members. And in phase 4, they have a plan of the Pancake Swap launch. So this is very amazing, guys. Said that they are also this token will also be available on the Pancake Swap and other 25 exchanges very soon. So they have a plan of the 25,000 holder, 10,000 Twitter, and the 100,000 Telegram members. So they also have a plan that is set in the phase 5. Phase 5 include the Bring World community under one umbrella, 25 exchange listing, 15 exchange listing, CMC listing, CG listing, second audit, 50,000 holder, 15,000 Twitter, and 120 Telegram member. So other is about the phase 6. So their phase 6 has the plan of the .bill launchpad listing on the 20 other exchanges, 100,000 holders, 20,000 holder Twitter holders followers, and 135,000 Telegram members. And in phase 7, they have an amazing plan to list it on different other exchanges like Gate.io, Hobby, .bit staking, .bit swap, listing on the 10 more exchanges, and 150,000 holders, 40,000 Twitter, and the 150,000 for Telegram members. They also have a plan for the in phase 8. So they are going to listing on Coinbase, Binance, and 25 more exchanges, third audit, and .bit exchange, .bit blockchain, and other plans like their holders in the Telegram and Twitter. So after this, here you can find out their other information, like you need, if you want to get more information, you need to download their white paper. So this is their white paper. If you download it, then you will find out each and every information regarding their project, so that you need to know before buying their project, or before joining their pre-sale. So after this, you can also check their audit here, tech rate audit here. So this is the page. Here you will verify that their tech audit is done. So after checking it, we scroll down and discuss other things, that these are the amazing exchanges that their token will be listed in a very few days. So going to list on 75 plus more exchanges before the other than these exchanges. So after this, if you want to buy their tokens, so you need to click on the buy now. Then you will find out their pre-sale page. Here you need to add your MetaMask. So here you can see that I add your MetaMask, connect your MetaMask, or if you have Trust Wallet, then you need to go to your D app and paste this address and connect your MetaMask Trust Wallet with their site. Then you will be able to buy their tokens in their pre-sale. So after this, here you will find out that if you want to buy their tokens with 1 BNB, you need to write the amount of 1 BNB. Then you get the actual. So here you can see that now my wallet is connected with their pre-sale page. So here we'll find out the Binance Smart Chain mainnet address, my address here, and do not send BNB the token address. So my MetaMask is added now with their site. So if you want to add your MetaMask, you just need to click on this and click this is their token. Here you can see that click on the add token, then their token will automatically add it to your MetaMask wallet. So here you will find out their date, their ending date in their pre-sale, and other information regarding their project. If you want to buy their tokens with your BNB, just you need to click the amount of your BNB, then you will find out exact value of your .bit, and you just need to click on the buy. If you have 1 BNB in your wallet, then these token will automatically add it to your wallet. So after this, you can also find the information about their token sale information here, and this is, you can also buy tokens by sending BNB directly from your wallet to this contract address. Please increase gas limit to 200,000 or even more for tokens with the special function like auto LP and swap etc. So this is the contract address. You also can buy their tokens by sending the amount on their on this address. Now we discuss about the social media. This is very necessary for you. If you have interest to buy the tokens, you need to follow it and click the bell icon to see each and every update regarding your project on your mobile screen. So here you can also check their daily pin message, which is which are their amazing and new updates regarding the project. So here you can also find out the other information like their total BNB, their total soft cap, hard cap, and where this is going to listed in few days, and how much their profit, how much their price will be increases in few days when they list on the other exchanges. These are information they give on their social medias also. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.